Let us solve a question on solar cell. In this question it is said a solar cell has ISC is equal to 180 milliampere, VOC is equal to 0.5 volt, junction area equal to 3 centimeter square and a fill factor of 0.7. If it is illuminated uniformly with light of power 100 milliwatt per centimeter square, calculate maximum conversion efficiency. First of all, let us understand what is ISC and VOC. Suppose it is a typical diagram of solar cell. In solar cell there is two region, P region and N region. There is some optical power is falling on the solar cell, so IL solar current is generated, and here is a load connected. Across this load voltage V is generated. In first case we will assume that this resistance is equal to 0. Then this load will act as short circuit and voltage across it will be equal to 0. So maximum current across this line will flow, which is known as ISC, short circuit current, since this resistance is short circuited and P and N region is directly connected. In the second case, we will assume this resistance is infinite, so voltage across this resistance will be maximum. Assume it is VOC. Since it will work as open circuit, so it is known as open circuit voltage. So these are the ISC and VOC. If we understand it from IV characteristic of a solar cell, then here is the current and here is the voltage. VOC is the maximum possible voltage in solar cell, and ISC is the maximum possible current in the solar cell. VM is the maximum voltage at which maximum power will be generated. Now let us solve our question. In this question, optical power is given as, which is the input power on solar cell is 100 milliwatt per centimeter square. So area is given as 3 centimeter square. Then the optical power will be equal to 100 milliwatt per centimeter square into 3 centimeter square is equal to 300 milliwatt. So 3 centimeter square area will get total 300 milliwatt power. Now fill factor can be written as Vm into Im upon Voc into Isc. Here Vm into Im can be written as fill factor into Voc into Isc. Put the values given in the question, that is fill factor is 0.7, open circuit voltage is 0.5 volt, Isc is 180 milliampere. Then value of Vm into Im will be equal to 63 milliwatt. Maximum conversion efficiency eta max is equal to Vm into Im upon P optical. Put these values, we will get eta max is equal to 63 milliwatt upon 300 milliwatt is equal to 21%. So our answer, maximum conversion efficiency of the solar cell is 21%.